In this video we're going to look at the setup and how it starts the golf swing and the aligning of the shaft. If we can control the shaft in the golf swing, we will improve the way we strike the ball. The setup at the start is crucial in this area. So if you look at the carpet here, I've got a target line and an impact line. And getting the right ball position helps with aligning the shaft. So we approach the impact line with the inside of our right foot. The club face sits behind the ball, so that's looking at the target. And I cross over the impact line with my left foot and I put it down about 5 centimeters away from the impact line. And I set my right foot for balance. Usually, for a maximum shot, you'll find that the inside of your right foot should be in a vertical line with your armpit. And that should apply both left leg and right leg. Now, for the benefit of explanation, I'm going to show you the alignment of the shaft during the course of the swing using the early set technique, where I'm going to hinge my wrists right at the beginning here so that the shaft is parallel to the ground. When the shaft is not parallel to the ground and parallel to the target line, then either the head of the club or the butt end of the club should point at the target line. So now we've got the butt of the club pointing at the target line here at the 9 o'clock position. And when we go right to the top, we find that the target line would go to infinity away from the target, and the butt of the club will still be pointing there. So that you can see that a little bit clearer, I'll just put a T in the end of my club. So you'll see at the beginning, that T is pointing towards my tummy. I early set my wrists, shafts parallel to the ball target line, and move to the 9 o'clock position. There you can see the T pointing down there quite clearly, and then from there, right to the top of my swing, full coil, and the T will still be looking at the ball target line. The arms are now going to bring that club down. I get a response from my hips, the hands release, and the first thing you'll see now that the T has shifted from pointing at my midriff to pointing towards my left shoulder. The shaft is leaning well forward of the ball. Now from here I can take the ball away, go to the 3 o'clock position, the shaft is horizontal to the ground and it's now parallel to the target line again. We're going up into the follow through and I want to point the T back at the ball target line, and when I finish I'll go around the back of my head as if passing between my ears. Another way of looking at that for the first part, we look at it from this view, especially setting up for your backswing. The early sets here, I'm turning my hips to turn my shoulders, T's looking down at the ball target line and getting to the top. Now you can see how my arms drop down, hips respond, release of the club. So that's how my shaft would be aligned at impact. If you can follow these few small points, your golf swing is going to be more on plane than it is at the moment. Thank you.